What do I do with my hands? What's up, everyone? I'm Herman with the top Flight Veterans Realty team, and I'm here to bring you the top 5 VA loan myths. Myth number 1. VA loans are difficult to qualify for. Not necessarily. So the VA doesn't set any minimum credit score requirement, although some of the lenders out there may set a minimum score for you. And of course, you don't have to have a down payment. That means you don't have to necessarily have a ton of money in the bank. Myth number 2. You have to be discharged to be able to use your VA loan benefits. Negative, Ghost Rider. You can actually use your VA loan benefits while you're on active duty, and you can also use them while you're separated. Myth number 3. I can only buy a single family, otherwise known as a detached house, with the VA loan. Not true. You can actually buy anything from a multi-unit property up to 4 units. You can buy a piece of land. You can buy a farm if you wanted to. I don't know. And you can buy a condo or townhouse. Myth number 4. You can only use the VA home loan once. What? You can actually use the VA home loan multiple times. Technically, you can use it over and over again if you wanted to. Myth number 5. There's a maximum I can spend with the VA home loan. Alright, so this one's actually true and false. You can purchase any house you want as long as you qualify for it. If you were to purchase a second home with the VA home loan, you have to abide by the county loan limits. Now, we know there's a ton of other VA home loan myths out there. We only touched on them briefly. So if you have other questions, feel free to comment, like, share. We want to answer your questions as best we can. I'm Herman, and this is Top Flight Veterans Realty Team... what? Stay tuned for next week's episode of Real Estate Explained.